Grayson here, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making a pizza casserole. Also, stick around till the end of the video because I'll be giving a price breakdown of how much it costs to make this meal. Let's go ahead and get started. First things first, let's go ahead and brown our turkey. We're going to come in with a little bit of kosher salt, black pepper, onion powder, granulated garlic powder, oregano, Italian seasoning, basil. Give that a good stir. We're going to go ahead and start our pasta. Now we're just going to lightly salt our water. A little bit of olive oil. That keeps the pasta from sticking together. We'll go ahead and add our 1 box of penne pasta. We'll give that a good stir. And then we're going to cook this for about 9 to 10 minutes. It may take a little longer with this being penne. I know usually with spaghetti it's about 9 minutes, but we'll just check it and see. Also, I went ahead and cooked the bacon. You'll also want to go ahead and set your oven to 375 degrees because we'll be baking this pizza casserole a little later. That took 10 minutes. Okay, and now it's time to assemble everything. We're going to take our drained pasta. I did toss it with a little bit of olive oil. Next is going to be our pasta sauce, the whole jar, 3 cups. A little bit of granulated garlic, just a little. A little bit of Italian seasoning. I love Italian seasoning, y'all. 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. We're going to use about 1/2 cup of our shredded cheddar cheese. Now we're going to add all of our meats in. We're going to add our cooked bacon in next, crumbled. We're going to go ahead and give everything a mix. All that cheese is beginning to melt. Okay, let's go ahead and get this in a greased 9x13 dish and get ready to pop it in the oven. Now, I learned a little trick a while back. I just used my butter wrapper. All right, we're going to go ahead and add this in. Now we're just going to top it with a little bit of our cheddar, shredded cheddar. The other half of our mozzarella. Now we're just going to come in with our pepperoni, as much as you would like. And we're going to come in with just a little bit of shredded Parmesan for a little extra flavor. This is totally optional. This would make a great weeknight dinner. This will serve probably about 8 people comfortably. And to top everything off, I'm just going to do a little basil, just a little. Now that everything's assembled, let's go ahead and pop this in a 375-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Set a timer for, I would say, 25 minutes. Okay, it's been 25 minutes. Oh, wow. That looks really good, y'all. Okay, let's go ahead and try this out. It looks and smells incredible. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a try. Make sure I get some of the pepperoni there and the pasta. All the flavors are melding together great. I can taste that Italian seasoning. You know, you can add anything to this from mushrooms to black olives. You could do spicy Italian sausage. This is so good. It's just like a pizza. The Parmesan cheese adds just an extra flavor there at the end. This pizza casserole is definitely going into my rotation for weekly meals. This recipe is so, so good. And now, as promised, I'm going to go ahead and give you the price breakdown of how much it costs to make this meal. So the turkey was $4.19. Now I went ahead and used 2 pounds of it. That came to $8.38. The bacon was $3.92. The box of penne pasta was 98 cents. The shredded mozzarella was $1.95. The shredded cheddar cheese was $1.85. The shredded Parmesan was $2.79, which brought it to a subtotal of $19.87. With a 2% sales tax on food, that was 40 cents, which brought this meal to $20.27, and this would easily feed 8 people. And to break it down even further, that comes to $2.53 per person. So I think that that is an incredible budget-friendly meal. And that's going to do it for today's video and for this recipe. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if so, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you for watching Grayson's Kitchen, where comfort is always on the menu. I'll see you next time.